Situation regarding Bitcoin, which today I am going to analyze, and I will tell you about what might happen in the coming hours in the next day. So what you see here is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. It's an indicator that I created. And as we can see here, look, here at the top, we are reaching the top, making a double top. On the other side, we dump. We dump ore on the middle of the indicator. The middle of the indicator, we start again. We go just when on the indicator we make wicks not possible. We come back down to the bottom here. We bounce off it. We come back and descend again. We exited here on the candle and we bounce off it. You see the candle is already printed for tomorrow. You see here it's the live candle. The indicator forecasts one candle ahead. So on the weekly, we have a week of foresight. And on the daily, we have 24 hours of foresight. So 24 hours ahead. That remains stable. And if we go down in time frame, I will add version 2.7. It's version 2.6. I will put version 2.7 right now. So you see with version 2.7, now the wicks are colored. These are possible reversals. So we go down here. You see, we touch the bottom of the candle and we bounce off it. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do I see on the 4 hour? It's the same thing. We come back to the top of the candle. The lines are fixed. They don't move. So we land, we arrive at the end of a blue candle impulse, reversal. We go down, rebound, and there we are in the middle of the candle. It creates resistance. We go down, we bounce off the Crypto-Quebec indicator to go back up. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it's exactly that. You see, this is the new version 2.7, but it's normal that every time we reach the wicks, it's impossible. It's impossible to reversal. It's the same thing from bottom to top. We come, we land.
Let's go back to Bitcoin. So we have a new candle that is printing. I think that in the coming hours, we will come and test this, perhaps at 4 p.m. It's a matter of putting a time frame and how long it will take to get there. But I think we have bounced. And a bounce, normally we will come and retest the middle of the candle. Otherwise, we will come here. I took the trade at the bottom just because it was a victory. I only enter on victories. I don't enter on normal candles. So victory, I enter. Victory. But when I have a red one, it's uncertain, so I exited the trade. It became a free trade. On the daily, you see, we came here, we descended, we exited, we bounced off the middle of the candle. Normally, we should come and test higher. When we break these levels, it will be a change of character on the other side that will appear. But it can take a few candles to come and test this. It's a short-term idea. To test the middle of the candle here at 101, 102,000, it's possible. And that's what I think will happen in the coming hours. So if you need videos, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I make videos every day on the trades I take and the tokens that perform in the market. I don't know if you enjoyed it, but message me about Bitcoin. I thank you very much and see you soon.